Calculating relay settings involves a lot of data transfer. Ordinarily, engineers use an Excel workbook and have to manually move these data values over, but SARA can do this automatically. You can see here in this Excel workbook that there are a lot of cells, and engineers will need to populate these cells with various data points, such as the impedance, the line length, or source and feed ratio. You as the engineer will also need similar values for the surrounding lines. For highly connected lines, this can easily add up to over 100 data points. This can take quite a bit of time. There's also a very large potential for error because you are manually moving these values over. It's very difficult to find any errors because typically you won't notice the error until you finish calculating the settings and they're not behaving correctly. Then you have to go all the way back to the data entry and verify those by comparing each value in ASPEN. This takes a lot of time and is very tedious.